So people in other countries are making thousands of dollars every month by making use of ChatGPT. So I'm sure you might have seen ChatGPT videos trending everywhere. And in case if you're wondering or doubting if it can work, well, yeah, it can work and it does work. So in case it's your first time hearing about ChatGPT, well, what is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is simply a chatbot developed by OpenAI and it was launched, I think, last year November. Okay, so it's simply a chatbot, okay, but we can ask it anything. Okay, it can provide answers to almost anything, and actually people are making money with it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use it to generate money for yourself in Zambia. So in this video, I'm going to share of about 6 ways you can actually use to make money with ChatGPT in Zambia. So what is the first way? Well, the first way is that you can actually use ChatGPT to generate blog posts. So if you're a blogger, if you've got a website, okay, and you run out of ideas, you can simply make use of chatbot. Simply ask chatbot to write a post about anything, and chatbot will write one. Okay. So this way you won't have to spend hours writing content. You can simply use it and write content. Okay, but depending on ChatGPT alone to write content, especially if your website is monetized with Google AdSense, it's actually a bad idea because Google is able to know that this content was written by artificial intelligence bots and so on. So okay, only use this if you'd like to promote like affiliate products. It's going to work perfectly, yeah, but otherwise for Google AdSense you might not want to use it unless if you can actually make use of your own writing and also like combine the things and make it actually more readable, good quality and human friendly and just looks good. Okay, so that is the first way you can use to make money with ChatGPT. The second way is actually writing video scripts. Okay, so as for me, I have a lot of video ideas. Okay, if I wanted, I can actually make 1,000 videos in one day if it was possible. Okay, just start like when I make a video and the video only gets of about 20 views, 50 views, so that discourages me from making videos. But if there are people out there who are struggling with video ideas, what to do? You can simply ask GPT, okay, to suggest any video idea, or you even write a script. All you have to do is simply read through the script and make a video about it. So I think starting a YouTube channel now will not be that hard as it's always been. Okay, so the third way you can make money with ChatGPT is actually if you're a web designer, a web developer. So ChatGPT can actually help you code or write code faster. So you can actually ask ChatGPT to generate any type of code, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Flutter, anything. Okay, so ChatGPT is able to generate code. And I'm sure you've seen posts on Facebook, people saying ChatGPT is here to replace designers, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So if you're a web designer, it's going to save you a lot of time because you won't have to be writing simple code, okay, of which can actually be generated in a few seconds, and so that you can focus on the testing part. Okay, so this is another way you can actually get to make money with ChatGPT. And the fourth way you can actually get to make money with ChatGPT, I think I should have included it in the first way, which is copywriting. Okay, there are a lot of companies out there who are looking for copywriters, or if you got your own products or services that you are selling, you can simply use it to generate some copy, write content and use them to market or sell your products. So it's that easy. So the other thing ChatGPT can help you with is translating. There are companies out there who are looking for translators from translating a language to another language. So you can actually use it. And the last way you can actually use to make money with ChatGPT is actually creating an app on top of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT provides an API, which means that for a developer, You can simply create your own app and use the API, and all the features which are there in ChatGPT will be available in your app, and then you can monetize your app with Google Ads Mob, and you're going to make money. So these are some of the 6 ways you can use to make money with ChatGPT. Of course, there are more than 20 ways, but this is what I've shared with you today, and it's very much easy and straightforward. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith.